Hello, my name is Adolphus Gibson. Welcome to Project 4.3. In this video, I will demonstrate the troubleshooting tasks I completed, including resetting a user password, collecting server information, modifying file ownership, and configuring access controllers. So as you can see here, when you come here, you see we have a couple of tasks here to complete. Task 1, task 2, task 3. And we have a couple of questions here to also answer. So let's dive straight into our SSH server from EC2. Here, my EC2 is running on AWS, and we're going to log in via our SSH server. So let's go get, okay, here's our login code. Okay, we are successfully logged into our Ubuntu server by SSH hosted by AWS. So let's see our first task here. You see, prove the salary password reset. Yes. So here's the command to reset salary password. Now to verify that, here's the password that was recently modified, successful. So now we're going to exit salary account and go to our admin account. Exit, exit. Now we're going back to our admin account. Now let's go to task 2. That's asking us to display server profile. So here's the command to display our server profile for this project. Okay, and now we are here. Here we are. Very beautiful. I'm really getting into like Ubuntu's, honestly, Linux. So now let's go to task 3. Task 3 asking us to show ownership. Now let's go to our command here, copy this. Okay, now as you can see here, task 3. So this confirms that Jenny is the owner and Finance is the group, the son, to the data directory, data one directory. So we are good for that. Let's go to task 4. Task 4 asking us to give actual access control list. Okay, let me give you a little detail of this task 4. Uh, it confirmed that Sally has been granted rewrite and execute permission, rewrite execute permission, um, and access control list. So that's it. That's pretty well rewrite execute permission. So let's go to our question now to see how best we can answer those questions. Question 1 says, what file system right does they have for data for data 1? Yes, this they has read and execute permission as a data 1. He can view the data content access file if permitted, but he cannot create, modify, or delete file because he does not have the right permission. So that's for Ted. Now go to question 2. So Bruce reports he no longer has access to the ENG group. What are 2 reasons? From my perspective, let me give 2 reasons. One, 2 possible reasons are Bruce was accidentally removed from the ENG group using a command such as gpass or user mode, probably. And 2, the engineering group permissions or ownership on the required files or directory were changed, preventing member of the group from accessing the resources. So that's my two reasons for breach reporting that you don't have access to this group. Let's go to question 3. Can you say what two recommendations do you have for management as they consider future data center upgrades? Now we are still learning. We are still in the learning stage. Gradually, based on my research, I have few recommendations. Let me dive into it. I recommend upgrading server storage to faster SSD or NVMe drive to improve system performance and reduce disk resources times. I also recommend increasing memory and CPU resources where needed and ensuring that all new hardware is compatible with the Linux operating system before deploying to avoid compatibility issues. That's my two recommendations. So that's how we end today's video and the project. Thanks everyone for watching, and that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.